MetaPWR Assist is the next product in the MetaPWR product lineup. It builds upon the MetaPWR Metabolic Blend and features additional herbs and phytonutrients. Key among these is mulberry leaf extract. Basically, it slows down the conversion of carbohydrates to glucose, blood sugar. So instead of a giant spike and drop, you experience narrower changes, or an optimal curve. Blood sugar levels are one of the most significant markers of health. These levels naturally fluctuate, depending on the eating and activity patterns. Excessively high peaks and low valleys are hallmarks of metabolic problems. Over time, elevated blood sugar levels can have permanent consequences on the body. Most people enjoy a good roller coaster. The anticipation of the climb and the exhilaration of the drop create long lines and excited enthusiasts. Like blood sugar levels, a roller coaster ride once or twice a year shouldn't cause any long-term issues. However, riding a roller coaster multiple times a day, week after week, might have some consequences. A whole food diet and regular exercise are the best ways to promote healthy blood sugar regulation. But considering that under 7% of the U.S. adult population have optimal cardiometabolic health, most of us could use a little support. MetaPWR Assist contains multiple natural compounds that are clinically shown to promote healthy metabolism. Chief among them is mulberry leaf extract, which works to slow the absorption of carbohydrates. If MetaPWR Assist sounds like an incredible tool to help you manage your metabolic health naturally, you're absolutely right.